Hi there, everybody. My name is Tanya Page, and I'm a doctor at the Providence, Milwaukie Family Medicine Clinic. I'm here at the Community Teaching Kitchen today to share with you one of my favorite recipes, an Ethiopian-inspired chickpea stew. What makes this stew Ethiopian-inspired is our use of berbere. This is a fragrant spice mixture used in a wide variety of Ethiopian dishes. To get started, we're going to mix a teaspoon of sweet paprika and another teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, black pepper, ground cardamom, cloves, coriander, and ground ginger. We also want to add about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne, depending on your spice tolerance. Mix it all together and set it aside. Let's get our oven preheated to 450 while we get the rest of our dish ready. Take 2 cans of no salt added chickpeas and rinse them. This helps wash off any potential preservatives that they've been stored in. Now we toss them with a tablespoon of oil and spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Put them into the oven and let them roast for 16 to 18 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are golden brown. While that roasts, we'll cut up some carrots and potatoes. We want to cut them into 1-inch chunks so they're easy to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic, onions, and ginger and cook for about 2 minutes until soft. Then add in 2 tablespoons of Berbere Spice mixture and continue cooking and stirring for another couple of minutes until the spices are toasted and fragrant. This is one of my favorite things about this recipe is heating up the spices. It smells fantastic from beginning to end. Now add in 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and collect your chickpeas from the oven. Add the chickpeas, potatoes, and carrots to the stew and bring it up to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cover the stew and let it cook for about 20 minutes before uncovering it and letting it simmer until the stew is thick and the potatoes and carrots are very tender. This time could vary on preference, but we recommend another 20 to 25 minutes of cooking. Now ladle the stew into bowls and serve with flatbread on the side. This dish is absolutely delicious and good for you. It's packed with vitamin A, vitamin C from the carrots and potatoes, low on sodium, fat, and cholesterol. We're excited for you to try out this dish and share it with your friends and family. Thanks again, and until next time, bye.